Hey guys! Meet world's first smartphone with an invisible selfie camera. ZTE has launched the first smartphone in the world with a camera that sits under the display. In a perfect world, everything would fit under the surface of smartphone displays. That's been the principle behind the past few years of phone design. At least, ever since the iPhone X escalated the bezel wars with its conspicuous notch. From in-display fingerprint sensors to pop-up selfie cameras, we've seen phone manufacturers take creative approaches to achieving the highest possible screen-to-body ratio. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button right now. I will make sure to keep you updated on latest products that you missed. ZTE has launched the first smartphone in the world with a camera that sits under the display. Or in other words, we're looking at the world's first smartphone with an invisible selfie camera. The device, named as Axon 25G, will provide a completely full-screen experience. And the smartphone has been launched in 3 RAM and storage combinations and 4 color options. The phone comes with a rear quad camera setup as well and is powered by an octa-core processor. The latest advancement in the bezel wars is the ZTE Axon 25G, which goes on sale and is the world's first phone to integrate its front-facing camera underneath the screen, while in-display fingerprint sensors are commonplace now. Doing the same for selfie cameras has proven to be more difficult. Companies like Oppo and Xiaomi have been showing off demos for years, but ZTE has beaten them to the punch with the first commercial device. Links of products that have good discounts have been provided in the description box. Please support my channel by purchasing products from those links whenever you do next purchase. It will help me profitize my time I spend here for making videos. In theory, the advantages are obvious. You get an unbroken display that doesn't need to account for a notch or hole punch. And you don't have to build in a motorized mechanism for a pop-up camera module. Again, if the world were perfect, the camera would just magically exist under the display without compromising image quality on either end. Quite obviously, this design means the Axon 25G does not feature a visible selfie camera, rather presenting users with a clean, uninterrupted display free of notches, hole punches and thick camera packing bezels. The actual quality of images produced by the hidden camera remains unclear. However, due to the current lack of reviews and sample photos, the camera located beneath the display packs 32 MP. It is joined by a 64 MP primary rear camera alongside an 8 MP ultra-wide and 2 MP depth/macro cameras. The primary camera supports video recording at up to 4K/60 FPS with real-time HDR and real-time subtitles. The ZTE Axon 25G runs Android 10 with the company's custom skin on top. It features a 6.92-inch 1080p plus OLED display with an aspect ratio of 20.5:9, refresh rate of 90 Hz, and touch sampling rate of 240 Hz. The display supports 10-bit color. It is powered by the Snapdragon 765G SoC, and comes with up to 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. That can be expanded via micro SD card, up to 2 TB. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.